Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif lam mim. Dzalikal kitabu la raiba fihi hudal lil muttaqin. This is the book about which there is no doubt, a guidance for those conscious of Allah. Alladzina yu'minuna bil ghaibi wa yuqimuna sholata wa mimma razaqnahum yunfikun. Who believe in the unseen, establish prayer and spend out the fifth profit for them. Walladzina yu'minuna bima unzila ilaika wa ma unzila min qablika wa bil akhirati hum yuqinun. And who believe in what has been revealed to you, O Muhammad, and what was revealed before you, and of the hereafter, they are certain in faith. Ulaika ala hudam min rabbihim wa ulaika humul muflihun. These are upon right guidance from the Lord, and it is those who are the successful. Innal ladzina kafaru sawa'un 'alaihim a'anzartahum am lam tunzirhum la yu'minun. Indeed, those who disbelieve, it is all the same for them whether you warn them or do not warn them, they will not believe. Khatamallahu 'ala qulubihim wa 'ala sam'ihim wa 'ala absarihim ghishawah wa lahum adzabun 'adzim. Allah has set a seal upon their heart and upon their hearing, and upon their vision is a veil, and for them is a great punishment. Wa minan nasi may yaqulu amanna billahi wa bil yawmil akhiri wa ma hum bimu'minin. And of the people are some who say, who believe in Allah and the last day, but they are not believers. Yukhadi'una Allaha walladzina amanu wa ma yahda'una illa anfusahum wa ma yash'urun. They think to deceive Allah and those who believe, but they deceive not except themselves and perceive it not. Fi qulubihim maradun fazadahumullahi marada walahum adzabun alimun bima kanu yakzibun. In their heart is this, so Allah has increased their disease, and for them is a painful punishment, because they habitually used to lie. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahilladzi anzala abdihil kitaba walam yaj'al lahu iwaja. All praise is due to Allah, who has sent down upon his servant Muhammad the book and has not made therein any deviance. Qayyimal liyunzira ba'san syadidan min ladunhu wa yubashshiral mu'minina alladzina ya'maluna shalihati anna lahum ajran hasana. He has made it straight to warn the self punishment from him and to give good tidings to the believers who direct those deeds that they will have a good reward. Makithina fihi abada, in which they will remain forever. Wa yunzirul ladzina qalu ittakhadallahu walada, and to warn those who say Allah has taken a son. Ma lahum bihim min ilmi wala li abaihim kaburat kalimatan tahruju min afwahihim yaquluna illa kadhiba. They have no knowledge of it, nor had their fathers grasped the word that comes out of their mouth. They speak not except a lie. فَلَعَلَّكَ بَاخِعٌ نَفْسَكَ عَلَى آثَارِهِمْ إِن لَّمْ يُؤْمِنُوا بِهَٰذَا الْحَدِيثِ أَسَفًا. Then perhaps you would kill yourself through grief over them, O Muhammad, if they do not believe in this message, and out of sorrow. Inna ja'alna ma 'alal ardi zinatan laha linabluwahum ayyuhum ahsanu amala. Indeed we have made that we sown is on the earth adornment for it that we may test them as to which of them is best indeed. Wa inna laja'iluna ma 'alaiha sa'idan jurja. And indeed we will make that which is upon that into a barren ground. Am hasibta anna ashabal kahfi warakimi kanu min ayatina ajaba. Or have you thought that the companions of the cave and the inscription were among our sighing a wonder? It's awal fityatu ilal kahfi faqalu rabbana atina min ladunka rahmatan wa hayyi' lana min amrina rasyada. Mention when the youth retreated to the cave and said, Our Lord, grant us from yourself mercy and prepare for us from our overripe guidance. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ar-Rahman, the most merciful. Allamal Quran, took the Quran. Khalaqal insan, created man. Allamahul bayan, and taught him eloquence. As-samsu wal qamaru bi husban, the sun and the moon move by precious calculation. Wan najmu wasyajaru yasjudan, and the stars and trees prostrate. Was-samaa'a rafa'aha wa wada'al mizan, and the heaven he raised and imposed the balance. Alla tatghaw fil mizan, that you not transgress within the balance. Wa aqimu wazna bil qisti wa la tuhsirul mizan, and establish weight injustice and do not make defiance the balance. Wal arda wada'aha lil anam, and the earth he laid out for the creatures. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Idza waqa'atil waqi'ah, when the occurrence occurs. Laisa liwaq'atiha kadhibah, there is at its occurrence no denial. Khafidatur rafi'ah, it will bring down some and raise up others. Idza rujjatil ardu rajja, when the earth is sick with convulsion. Wa bussatil jibalu bassa, and the mountains are broken down crumbling. Fakanat haba'am mumbatha, and become dust dispersing. Wa kuntum azwajan salasa, and you become of three kinds. Fa ashabul maimanati ma ashabul maimanah. Then the companions of the right. What are the companions of the right? Wa ashabul mash'amati ma ashabul mash'amah. And the companions of the left. What are companions of the left? Was-sabiqun as-sabiqun. And the foreigners. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhal muzammil, you wrap himself in clothing. Qumil laila illa qalila. Arise to pray the night except for a little. Nisfahu awinkus minhu qalila. Half of it or subtract from it a little. Aujid alaihi waratili Qur'ana tartila. Or read to it and recite the Quran with measured recitation. Inna sanulki alaika qawlan sakila. Indeed, we will cast upon you a heavy word. Inna nasyi'atal laili hiya asyaddu wa ta'awa aqwa mukila. Indeed, the hours of the night are more effective for concern of heart and tongue, and more suitable for words. Innalaka finnahari sabhan tawila. Indeed, for you by day is prolonged occupation. Wadhkurisma rabbika watabattal ilaihi tabtila. And remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to Him with complete devotion. Rabbul masyriqi wal maghribi la ilaha illa huwa fattahidhu wakila. He is the Lord of the East and the West. There is not that except Him. So take him as the possessor of your affair. Wasbir ala ma yaquluna wahjurhum hajran jamila. And be patient over what they say and avoid them with gracious avoidance. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Ya ayyuhal muddathir, you covered himself with a garment. Kum fa'anzir, arise and warn. Wa rabbaka fakabbir, and your Lord glorify. Wa thiyabaka fatahhir, and your clothing purify. Wa rujja fahjur, and unclean lines avoid. Wala tamnu tastakthir, and do not confer favor to acquire more. Walirabbika fasbir, but for your Lord be patient. Fa idza nukira fin naqur, and when the trumpet is blown. Fadzalika yawma idzi yawmun ashir, that day will be a difficult day. Alal kafirina ghairu yashir, for the disbeliever not easy. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wal mursalati urfa, by those winds send forth gas. Fal asifati asfa, and the winds that blow violently. Wan nasyurati nashra, and by the winds that spread clouds. Fal fariqati farqa, and those angels who bring criterion. Fal mulkiyati dhikra, and those angels who deliver a message. Udhron au nudhra, as justification or warning. Innama tu'aduna lawakil. Indeed, what your promise is to occur. Fa idzan nujumu tumisat. So when the stars are obliterated. Wa idzas sama ufurijat. And when the heaven is opened. Wa idzal jibalu nusifat. And when the mountains are blown away. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Amma yatasaalun. About what are they asking one another? Anin naba'il azim. About the great news. Alladhi hum fi mukhtalifun. That over which they are in disagreement. Kalla saya'lamun. Not they are going to know. Summa kalla saya'lamun. Then no they are going to know. Alam naj'alil ardi mihada. Have we not made the earth a resting place? Wal jibala autada. And the mountain as sticks. Wa khalaqnakum azwaja. And we created you in pairs. Wa ja'alna naumakum subata. And made your sleep a means for rest. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Wan nazi'ati gharqa. By those angels who extract with violence. Wan nasyutati nashta. And by those who remove with ease. Wassabihati sabha. And by those who glide as with swimming. Fassabiqati sabqa. And those who race each other in a race. Falmudabbirati amra. And those who arrange its matter. Yawma tarzufur rajifat. And the day the blast of the horn will confuse creation. Tatba'uhar radifat. There will follow it the subsequent one. Kulubu yawma izi wajifat. The Daniers heard on that day will be trembling in horror. Absaruha khashi'at. With their eyes downcast. Yaquluna inna lamarduduna fil hafira. They are presently saying, will we indeed be returned to our former state of life? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Abasa wa tawalla. He departed from and turned away. Anja'ahul a'ma. Because there come to him the blind man interrupting. Wa ma yudrika la'allahu yazakka. But what will make you perceive, O Muhammad, that perhaps he may be purified? Aw yadhakkaru fata'ahu dhikra. Or be remind and the remembrance will benefit him. Amma man istaghna. As for he would think himself without need. Fa'an fa'atalahu tasadda. To him you give attention. Wama alaika alla yazakka. Wama alaika alla yazakka. And not upon you is any blame if he will not be purified. Wa amma man ja'aka yas'a. But as for he who came to you striving for knowledge, wa huwa yahsha, while he fears Allah, fa anta anhu talaha, from him you are distressed.